Hello everybody, I am Rajiv Khushu, Chairman of Indian Electronics and Semiconductor Association. I welcome you all for the 16th edition of Vision Summit. Vision Summit over the past decade and a half has evolved into a flagship event in the space of semiconductor design, electronic system design, and manufacturing. We are fortunate this time to have following dignitaries attending Vision Summit in next couple of days. Starting with Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka State, Shri Basuraj Bommai ji, Honorable Minister of State, Industry, Shri Som Prakash ji, Honorable Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar ji, and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Ashwath Narayan ji. We have a fantastic line of speakers this time, talking about their vision of electronics and semiconductor. This year is unique in a way, as we have close to 100 plus eminent speakers talking about different aspects of electronic system design and manufacturing. I welcome all the eminent government officials, industry visionaries, and academia to the 16th edition of Vision Summit 2021. This year's theme has been carefully crafted and picked up, and it is India's accelerated ESDM growth, the defining decade. IESA has enabled the ecosystem to the extent that today, the top semiconductor companies have their largest development centers outside of their headquarters in India. Today, there's hardly any chip which is produced globally which is not touched by Indian engineers. If there is one place in the world where you can set up a design center for semiconductors in less than a month, it is India. We are today the second largest producer of smartphones in the world. We have today the second largest chip designers in the world. We have today 3 incubation centers, which are ASDM product incubation centers in Delhi, Orissa, and Karnataka. And there are 7 more in the pipeline, which will start churning hundreds of ASDM companies in next few years. I have absolutely no doubt in the fact that the way we mastered the software world, we will also master the hardware space in next few years. Semiconductor Fabless Accelerator Lab and FabCI, based out of Karnataka and Telangana, have started churning fabless companies out of India. IESA is planning to work together with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to take this initiative pan-India. I am pretty sure in next decade, we will become the fabless capital of the world. Semiconductor market has grown at a phenomenal pace in last few years. We will cross this year $525 billion, and we are poised to reach $700 billion in next few years. India is not going to be an exception. We will grow to $65 billion in next few years, growing from a current base of $10 to $12 billion. This has already set the pace for new fabs getting deployed across the world. There have been already announcements of 18 to 28 fabs in last few months. And I'm pretty sure India may also get few fabs announced in next couple of months. PMP, SPECS, and PLI have played an important role and will continue to play an important role in shaping the ESDM market in the country. PLI in smartphones has ensured that in next few years, India will become the largest producer of smartphones in the world, overtaking China. And there have been many more announcements of PLI in other segments, and there have been in fact 10 announcements in the last 12 months. This will ensure that India becomes a sizable player in areas of telecom, IT, medical, and electric vehicle space. IESA has traditionally been focusing on the ESDM report for many years, but this time what we are doing differently, we are going deeper and we are talking about 7 different segments within the overall ESDM space, and we'll come up with this report in next few months, and this will be a game changer and will also propose to the government what we need to do and what the industry will have to do in order to become the leading ESDM player in the world. We'll also come up with a strategy paper which basically states how India can start producing and exporting raw materials which can go into the global semiconductor fabs and ATMPs. And we will also see how we can start exporting services to these companies globally from the country. This market is today $180 to $200 billion and will grow at a CAGR of 10% for the next decade. So it is a very important market which we as an association is highly recommending that India should focus on. IESA has also kicked off the Skills Initiative, which will ensure there's a steady flow of industry-ready ESDM professionals coming out of engineering colleges spread across the length and breadth of the country. With all these initiatives, I'm pretty sure that India will emerge as the most preferred destination for electronic system design and manufacturing. I request all of you to participate in all the sessions of the Vision Summit, which will grow from today till next 4 days. Thank you and bye.